Myself is Mohanapriya, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics from KSR College of Arts and Science for Women, Tiruchengood. Now we discuss about the topic is Discrete Mathematics. Some topics are mathematical logic, normal and principal forms, relation and ordering. First we discuss about mathematical logic, which means in this session we are discussing about three basic logical operations as follows. The logical operations are conjunction, disjunction, negation. Conjunction means and operator, disjunction means or operator, negation means not operator. The symbols are there. First we discuss about conjunction. Conjunction means take P and Q be the proportions, then conjunction P and Q is true when both P and Q are true and is false or otherwise. Disjunction means or operator. Take and let P and Q be the proportions. The disjunction disjunction Q is false when both P and Q are false and is true or otherwise. Negation, not operator. Let P be a proportion. The proportion of P is real or not P. That means negation not operator are used to not P or the negation symbol P. The truth value of the negation of P or not P is the opposite of the truth value of P. Next we discussed about normal and principal forms. Some few points are discussed about disjunctive normal forms, conjunctive normal forms, principal disjunctive normal form, principal conjunctive normal form. First we discuss disjunctive normal form. The formula which is equivalent to a given formula and which consists of a sum of elementary product is called disjunctive normal form of a given formula, which means P and equivalence Q or Q and or disjunctive P and Q and negation or. The DNF of a formula is not unique. The conjunctive normal form. The formula which is equivalent to the given formula and which consists of a product of elementary sum is called a conjunctive normal form of a given formula. The formula is there. The CNF of a formula is not unique. If every elementary sum of CNF is tautology, then the given formula is also an tautology. Principal disjunctive form. An equivalent formula consisting of a disjunctive of min terms only is called the principal disjunctive normal form of the formula. It is also known as sum of the product of canonical form. The four examples are there. The principal conjunctive normal form. An equivalent formula consisting of a conjunction of max terms only is called the principal of conjunctive normal form. It is also as a product of sum of canonical form. The disjunctive normal form and principle of conjunctive normal form have a two difference. Sum of product of canonical form is principal disjunctive normal form. Product of sum of canonical form is a principle of conjunctive normal form. Next we discussed about relation and ordering. Three topics are there: reflexive property, symmetric property, transitive property. Order of group in discrete mathematics. The group S order can be described by its cardinality, which means that number of its element. Sometimes an order can be called a period. So in a group, the order of an element A is the positive integer m. That means A power m equal to E. Partially ordered set. Then discuss about consider a relation R on a set S is satisfying the following property. If R is reflexive, therefore X or X for every X belongs to S. R is an antisymmetry. If X or Y and Y or X, then X equal to Y. R is transitive. X or Y and Y or Z, then X or Z. Then R is called a partial order relation and the set S together with the partial order is called a partially ordered set or POS set and it is denoted by S less than or equal. Peano axiom. The axiom are used to provide the rigorous foundation of a natural numbers. Therefore 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, which can be used in the set theory, number theory and arithmetic. A finite set of rules and symbols can be generated by Peano axiom. which enable the infinite set. Thank you.